To apply for a new Social Security card, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, you will need to determine if you are eligible for a replacement card, which is typically the case if your card has been lost, stolen, or damaged. Next, you will need to gather the required documents, which include proof of citizenship, such as a birth certificate or passport, and proof of identity, such as a driver's license or state ID. If you were born outside the United States, you will also need to provide proof of immigration status. Once you have gathered the necessary documents, you can fill out the application for a new Social Security card, which is available on the Social Security Administration website or at your local Social Security office. The application will ask for basic information, such as your name, date of birth, and Social Security number. After completing the application, you will need to take it, along with the required documents, to your local Social Security office. You can find the nearest office by visiting the Social Security Administration website. The staff at the office will review your application and verify your documents. If everything is in order, they will process your application and mail you a new Social Security card. This typically takes around 10 to 14 business days. It is a good idea to make photocopies of your documents and keep them in a safe place in case you need to refer to them later. It is also important to note that you can only replace your Social Security card 3 times in a year, and 10 times in your lifetime. So it is a good idea to keep your card in a safe place to avoid having to replace it unnecessarily. By following these steps and being prepared with the necessary documents, you can easily apply for a new Social Security card.